If you're hosting a cookout, my grilled shrimp recipe is a must-have. In a small bowl, combine cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Mix until it's well incorporated. Peel and devein your shrimp. Remove the legs and gently lift the thin dark vein out of the slit using the tip of your knife or your finger. Discard the vein. In a large bowl, add lemon juice and olive oil to your shrimp. Toss them and make sure they're evenly coated. Sprinkle with shrimp seasoning. Add the seasoned shrimp to the grill and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. The shrimp should be pink and opaque. Serve with fresh lemon and parsley. You can find more delicious seafood recipes on our website.